Welcome back students. In today's video we are going to discuss about scholarship exam, standard 5th scholarship, English medium, first language English and its syllabus. Okay, in today's video we discuss about standard 5th English scholarship, first language English and its syllabus. So you can see here unit number 1, and that deals with vocabulary. Unit number 1 deals with vocabulary, and under this vocabulary we have these subunits, that topics, and weightage is given as a 16%. So out of 100, 16% weightage is given to the vocabulary basis question. Okay, to see these topics, number 1, word formation. The first topic is this word formation. Now second, homophones, prefix, suffix. So we make some new words by adding prefix and suffix. Antonyms, synonyms, compound words, one word for many, figurative words. Number 8, names of young ones. Okay, names of young ones. Then professions, jumbled spellings, word puzzles, arranged in alphabetical order. So these some topics we have to arrange this alphabetical order, that words denoting different sounds, singular and plurals, prepare short words from long words, and number 16, that is correctly spelled words. So this is the subtopics under the unit or term vocabulary. Now next, word games. Under this there is puzzles, word register, related words, match the words and pictures. It's for 8%. So weightage is given as 8%. Now we can see the next unit number 3, grammar. So in that grammar what we see, subtopics, part of speech. In grammar, part of speech, nouns, types, common, proper, collective and abstract. So these are some nouns. Okay, the topics. Pronouns, personal pronouns, adjectives, degree of comparison. Number D, verbs, conjugation, action, and that words and auxiliaries. So these are some topics under the term of grammar. Now see the next topic, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, articles, vowels, consonants, part of a sentence, subject, predicate. So as you know, we have this two part of a subject and a predicate. Next, WH question, verbal and WH question. So these two types of question we know as a WH question, which begins with WH, and verbal questions. Okay. Now next unit is language study. So under this language study, let us see which units or which topics are there. Its weightage is 4% for language study. Punctuation marks, as you know, hyphens, full stop, comma, these are these punctuation marks. Contracted forms, expanded forms, idioms and phrases, proverbs, slogans, axioms. Number 6, follow instructions, road signs. Number 7, phrases, elements in story, tenses as a present tense, past and future tense. Number 10, make meaningful sentences. So these are some sub topics, we can say topics under the language study for 4% weightage. Another unit is number 5, creative writing skill. Give titles, suppose captions and headlines on news. So we have to give headlines for the news, some captions, stories, pictures and cartoons, leaflet as a informative. Now second, paragraph writing, stories, processes, events, experiments. So these are some topics as in creative writing as a writing skill. Now next we can see here autobiography means autobiography, short autobiography of a thing or a object. So this way, informal letter format or complete the letter. So as a informal letter, as a family letter, we have to write or complete the letter. Now see the next unit. Now next unit number 6, reading skills is comprehension. You see sub units as a under that reading skill, descriptive or informative or narrative or imaginative passages is there. So descriptive, informative, narrative or imaginative passages will be there. News items, advertisement, leaflet, short skits, an interview and poem. So this is for comprehension. Okay. And how much? That 24% is weightage given to for that unit. Now last, miscellaneous. Numbers means cardinal and ordinal numbers, non-English words, read maps, charts, stock, expressions, abbreviations. So and unit number 7, that last for 8% is I total 100% syllabus is here. So it is divided as per the weightage. So I think you have understood for which topic how many weightage is given as per you have to study. So last as a that numbers, cardinal and ordinal, non-English words, read maps, charts, stock, expressions, abbreviations. So these are the unit number 7. So all these the syllabus of standard 5th scholarship standard 5th subject English for English medium. So I hope you all like this information. If you like video, please like, comment and share.